Today I'm going to take a moment to show you how to access the Remax Stickers app. You can find this in the App Store or the Google Play Store, and it's a great addition to your marketing, social media, and texting. It's going to give you the opportunity to have fun little apps, GIFs, and images to add to whatever you're posting, editing pictures, or when you're sending messages. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to search for Remax Stickers. You'll find that app, download it, and install it onto your phone. Once you have it installed, you can access this either directly in a messenger app such as Facebook Messenger, Instagram's DMs, or in your regular text messages. So you'll be able to access it from all of those places and also access it in the picture editing features for social media apps. So there's a little spot on there where you add GIFs or overlays or little images. You just click on that and it will pull up all of the Remax related GIFs. Then you can go ahead and add these, resize these, and put these right over your images when you go to make a post. So I hope you found that helpful. I hope you start using them right away. If you have any questions, reach out to one of our office strangers. I'm Walter Borgen with Remax Signature in Daytona Beach, and I hope you have a great day.
Be strong. Be strong.